And if you're just now joining us, continuing to get live views from outboard cameras on the International Space Station looking down at Hurricane Dorian. The station itself at this moment 261 statute miles over the Earth's surface, already to the south of Haiti, continuing on a southeasterly track. The hurricane itself, well to the north of Puerto Rico already, moving out to the east of the Bahamas. It's still on a northeasterly track, expected to move, or northwesterly track, expected to move more westerly once it hits a ridge, and that's going to begin to aim it right at the eastern coast of Florida, as the latest forecasts from the National Hurricane Center are predicting.